Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Hello, welcome to week number 1 of the June 2025 warehouse sale here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, our online warehouse sale, because that's the only place you're going to find all of this products is at scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Now, week 1, you're like, what do you mean week 1? Yes, this warehouse sale runs the entire month of June. Every Monday, and there are 5 Mondays in June, I will be adding more product to the warehouse sale, more companies, more manufacturers. And in fact, the last day of the warehouse sale will be July 7th, because that's the first Monday in July. So I think around noon is when we'll be cutting off the sale. But up till July 7th, each week, you're going to want to come back and see what's been added from your favorite manufacturers at prices that are 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, and sometimes more. So week 1 is all about Sizzix, and I'm just going to roll through some Sizzix product. This is by no means all we have. No, we have a much larger assortment than what I'm going to show you. And I don't know what the discount is on this product. I can just tell you it's between 50 and 90% off, sometimes more. Now, before we start, I want to remind you, there is a terms and conditions video that we kind of really encourage, if not insist, that you watch before you place your order. You are the one hitting the submit button. And if you hit that submit button before you've watched that video, then you are not able to make an informed decision on whether this is the event for you or not. You may very well want to, I don't know, you may love this 49 and Market set. This is a stamp and die set from 49 and Market. And you may want this, but you may want it next week. I encourage you then to go find it full price and have it shipped to you by next week. But if you want it at 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90% off, well, then this is the event for you, but only if you've watched that video, because it explains the whys and the why nots and the how comes and the who, what, whens, and wheres of everything. And once you know why the sale is the way the sale is, and what type of shipping times you might be looking at, and why, and that there's no cancellations and no returns, that love what you buy and buy what you love, once you hear all of that and you're A-okay with it, then you hit the submit button. But of course, patience is going to be necessary, because every Monday as we launch new product, those first several hours are very busy. People are trying to get in and out with what they want, and some things we do only have 1 of, and some things we might have 100 of. So patience is key. Don't forget to bring it with you during the sale. It's probably likely you will not get everything that you had hoped for. You may have to remove some things out of your shopping cart. The faster you check out, the more items that you will get. That's just the way it is. And so the items are not allocated to you when you put them in your shopping cart. You literally have to check out, and then they are allocated to you. So Sizzix, we're starting with Sizzix, and it's gonna be so much fun. Again, what I'm showing you today, small little assortment of what I've got for you from Sizzix. And really, the manufacturers, we're so lucky. So many of the manufacturers are so grateful that we do this event, because it allows them to bring crafting to you at an unbelievable price. It clears out their inventory that they need to go, and they're not selling it to like a box store that discounts every single day of the week. No, we do the warehouse sale twice a year, and this is it, and it is meant to keep crafting affordable for all of you. You should be able to afford to change a flat tire on your car and buy your kids new shoes and milk and eggs, and still have your hobby, and still have your kids' hobby, and have them take them to baseball. It should be a balance. And so by offering this event twice a year, we try to do it twice a year, this is where you save more than you spend. All right, I'm gonna tilt on down. I have got Sizzix for you, and I've got a little bit of everything for you. And I do mean a little bit of everything. from dies, stamps, stencils, embossing folders. I've got paint. I mean, there's just everything. You love 49 and Market? This is on sale for you right now. You love Catherine Pooler? This is on sale for you right now. Look at cute Lisa Jones, darling. You like Tim Holtz? Say hello, Tim. I don't know that I've ever seen this set. Look at that, it's so cute. The stamps from Catherine, it's getting to be beach weather. Now's a great time. Love this set from Lisa Jones. It's one of my favorites. Tim, hello, Tim, how you doing? Great perspective, love this. This could be 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. Stencils, 4-layer stencils, you bet we've got them. Are you thinking holiday? Although if you stamp this in different colors, I bet you could get away with not having this as holiday at all. This is just some of the product that is at least 50% off. At least 50% off. Could be more. Could be 60, 70, 80, 90. Could be. Look at how cute is that? We've got just about everything for you. You need a steel rule die? You want to cut fabric or flashing or plastic or metal cans or leather. This is it. Steel rule die is going to do that with all of these shapes. Absolutely. You want to play with your stencil and stamp tool? Get their 4-layer stencils. You're going to love them. Look at another 4-layer stencil, another stamp set. You will love them. Look at, I've got a Thinlit Plus and it makes a box. My guess is this is going to go through a regular Big Shot machine, I think. And then all the extras, you might need it should go, I think it goes through a regular Big Shot machine. Thinlit Plus makes the cute little box. I'm trying to see. Compatible with Sizzix Big Shot and Big Shot Pro. Says it's compatible. Cute box. Look at how darling. Embossing folders. Tim. Embossing folders. This is an embossing folder and a cute little die. It's got the embossing folder and then it's got the little die to go with it. Darling. So much on sale for an amazing, amazing price. But I have more for you than dies and stamps and stencils and embossing folders. How about metal flakes? They're on sale. How about pearlescent mediums? They're on sale. How about glitters and embossing powders? They're on sale. How about, how about that 49 and Market? How about paints? They're on sale. Sizzix tape runner on sale. How about this beautiful die? And then the tool to go with it to curl your flowers, to get your flowers to curl. They're on sale. How about opulent paper? Do you love opulent paper? I've got opulent paper on sale. I've got cardstock. Sizzix cardstock is on sale. But remember, when it is gone, we won't be adding more quantity. So if you love this opulent cardstock, and maybe we've got 25 packs for the warehouse sale. Once those 25 packs are sold out, we won't be adding more in. That's it. When it's gone on the warehouse sale, it's gone. So first in, first out. I know that's rough. I understand, but it is the way it is. We've got Eileen Hull on sale on her scoreboard dies. You name it, we've got it. If it's got a Sizzix logo on it, we've got it for you. And just a little bit of absolutely everything. I think there's something for everybody here. And I just know that you'll love it all. Whether you're looking for Christmas, or you're looking for summer, or you're looking for alphabets or spring. Love this set too. There is absolutely something for everybody. So I don't want to keep you because I know the sale has started. It will have taken a few minutes to get everything loaded. So you may have to come back and see what else, because it doesn't just load bing, bang, boom. No, it takes a few minutes for everything to load to the site, and you have to hit refresh. I hope you're having a good time and that frustration levels are staying low, because you know what to expect. You know that there is a chance you will have to take something out of your cart because it has already sold. Just because you add it to your cart does not allocate it to you. That is not how any online site works, with the exception of like StubHub or Ticketmaster. They hold your product for 14 minutes and you have to check out within that time, or they release your seats. Other than that, if you haven't fully submitted your order, if you haven't completely checked out, it's not yours. So get in, get out, come back, look again. Remember, you are saving such a tremendous value. So if you lose something to somebody else, wish them happiness with it, because I am sure whatever is in your cart will bring you the same happiness. This is a month-long event. Next week, I will be back with a different manufacturer, or 2 or 3. We have to decide which order we're putting everybody in. And whatever is left from Sizzix will continue to roll forward until the end of the event, which will be July 7th, somewhere around noon. Please watch that video. Please watch that video, terms and conditions. And that way, when you call and the first question is, did you watch the video? And you say no, we're going to send you right back to the video to watch it. When you hit submit, you are deciding to make this purchase. And there's no cancellations. Nope, none. Buy what you love what you buy, all sales final. All right, you guys, I'm going to let you go because I know you're excited and you want to go shopping, and half of you are probably gone already. But I will be back tomorrow with our next In the Studio with Stacy. We are done with pencils. We are moving into gouache. What's gouache? Why do you want gouache? What does gouache do? Are there different kinds of gouache? So join me tomorrow, 6 p.m. sunny California time, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern for In the Studio with Stacy, where I take paper crafting products and fine art products and we mesh them together to make magic. Have fun, everybody. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to either email us or give us a call. Bye, everybody. It's me, Stacy. Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Bye.